the Bazaar. It is actually the same venue as when an Ivan had their concert. What I got today. First, I got this Christmas gingerbread cup, and it includes this really cute straw. I think it's perfect for Christmas. Next, I got this little Christmas tree to decorate my room. I also got this cute My Melody socks. It's like Christmas socks, and like it's so adorable. This is how it looks. I can't wait to wear these. They're so cute. Next, I got this polka dot scrunchie, and this was actually for free because I bought some of their clothes. Next, I got this really cute tumbler. It's so cute and it's like pink. Next, I got this really cute tube top, and it has like a bow in it. Last but not least, I got this cute gray bolero outer. It is so adorable, and I can't wait to mix and match it. That's all that I got for today, and I think I actually bought quite a lot of things today. But right now I'm gonna go shower and just get ready for bed. Hi guys. So she's like looking into the distance. How aesthetic. There's like a black swan. There's a black swan, guys. will be cutting my hair. My current hair have dead ends and it's also really messy, so I think it's time for me to cut my hair. I only have 20 minutes to do my makeup, so I kind of have to rush. So today I'll be going on a little vacation. I'll be going to Bogor for 3 days, and then after that I'll be going to Jakarta for 2 days. I'm really excited because I've prepared a lot of cute new outfits. This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this really cute tube top that I bought last time, and I also have this really long skirt. I'm also wearing this cute pearl necklace. It's so cute. And also I did my nails, and I really like it. This is the other one. I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you guys later. So right now we're on the way to a cafe, and it's actually raining right now. That's why it's like really dark. drive from here. Also, I'm wearing a really thick top because it's actually really cold today. This place is so pretty.